After the successful Paris AI Summit, we have a great news which is coming from the Paris that IMEC project is going to start again. Hello and welcome to the in news series of Drishti IAS. I am Ritu and today's session is about IMEC project and what are the news related to this particular project, and this session is important for you GS2 as well as GS3 perspective. So moving towards the points of discussion part. So before moving to the discussion part, first of all, we should know that what is the full form of IMEC project. So it is India Middle East Europe Corridor project. So now we'll discuss the points of discussion part. So first of all, we are going to discuss the news, then we are going to briefly discuss about the IMEC project, and then we are going to discuss that why this particular thing again came into the news, and then we are going to discuss about practice question for prelims. Before that, you have to like, share and subscribe to this TIAS channel. Moving towards to the news part. So the news is that you already know that PM Modi had visited to the Paris for the Paris AI Summit, and PM Modi had also highlighted about the nitties-gritties related to the AI, that how we can use AI responsibly in every sector. So after this particular thing, we have another news which is related to the IMEC project, and France and India had discussed this project. So we are going to discuss this particular project. So coming to the discussion part, before going to any discussion part, I want to tell you Drishti IAS Noida address, and Drishti IAS Noida address is C171/2 Block A Sector 15 Noida Uttar Pradesh, and we have classes available in both Hindi medium and English medium. So you can check out the classes for English medium 17th February, for Hindi medium 21st February, and this is for the ISGS Foundation course. And if you have any queries related to such kind of the classes, you can call on to the number 87501. So coming to the discussion part, so first of all, we are going to discuss about that what is IMEC project. So this particular project was established during G20 summit which was held in India, and when it was held in India, so it was held in 2023. So through an MOU, which is Memorandum of Understanding, signed by the leaders from India, European Union, France, Germany, Italy, Saudi Arabia, UAE and US at the G20 Summit 2023 in New Delhi. So this is also a very important topic because they can ask that when this particular project was established and what is the aim of this particular project. So aim is very much simple, multimodal connectivity project, and it is basically aimed to develop infrastructure of all those countries, not just India but the countries who are involved into this particular corridor, and this is basically for the railways, road and sea infrastructure. So this is about IMEC project. So it is going to connect India along with the Europe and Gulf countries also. So coming to the two separate corridors, so there will be Eastern Corridor and another will be the Northern Corridor. So Eastern Corridor will connect India to the Gulf and Northern Corridor will connect Gulf to the Europe, and the project forms part of the Partnership for Global Infrastructure and Investment, and it was announced in 2021 during G7 summit, and it has been seen as a counter to the BRI project, which is Border Road Initiative by the China. So now we'll discuss the another aspect of this thing. So this is a map related to the India Middle East Europe corridor. So this is the India, you can see the map here, and here dotted lines are related to the sea routes, and here plain line is related to rail route and the land routes. So here what we can see, this is the dotted line. So India will connect through sea to what you can see UAE, and then after UAE we have this land route. Then here we can see that Saudi Arabia is coming, then again it is going to the Saudi Arabia, and through Saudi Arabia it will go to the Israel, and after Israel it will go to the Greece, and Israel and Greece, this will be a sea route. So in this portion this will be a, what you can say, land route, and in this portion also this will be a sea route. So sea route here and sea route here, and this is the, what you can say, land route. There is no air route here. So this is very much important related to this particular IMEC project. Now we'll discuss the significance of this particular project for India. So we already had discussed the aim of this particular IMEC project. That aim is pretty simple, that this is basically for the infrastructure development, and especially for the sea route and the land route, and also this is the way where India can easily connect to the Europe, and this will make services very much faster and cheaper also. So if you're talking about the significance of this particular project, especially in context of India, then it will make shipment 40% faster and 30% cheaper than the Suez Canal route. So that's why this corridor is very much important. The trade will be smoothened due to this particular thing, and there will be also enhancement of the Indo-Gulf trade and diversifying India-UAE trade, and this will help India to create a space in geopolitical scenario. Though there are so many concerns related to this project, such as the first concern is the geopolitical tension, the second concern is the high cost. So these are the concerns related to this particular project. Now we are going to discuss that why this particular project again in the news. So as you already know that recently PM Modi had visited to the Paris, and in the Paris the France has discussed this project, and they had said that we are going to restart this project, and due to Gaza conflict, because Israel is also part of this particular thing, so due to Gaza conflict this particular project was stalled, but this time they are going to restart again, and we'll see in future that how it is going to benefit France as well as India. So that's why this particular thing was in news, and we are also going to see that will it be beneficial for India, or there will be any other hurdles related to this particular project. So the point is that we need to restart this project soon. So coming to the discussion part, the discussion is, which of the following country is not a part of India, Middle East, Europe corridor? India, Israel, France and Russia. So this is very easy one. You can answer into the comment section, and I hope you like this session. If you have any queries related to this session, kindly ask into the comment section, and do check this topic again and again, because Paris AI Summit is also important, and IMEC topic is also important, and as you already know that prelims is coming, so you should take care of all these topics for your prelims examination. Thank you. Have a nice day.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.